Afternoon, Carl from Lockforce Locksmiths. We're in Uden this afternoon and we've just opened this garage door with lost keys, and we're just about to put a new lock on it. So we'll get it open, show you with it open, and then obviously put a new lock on it for it. Okay, lock off, and we're going to change this. These particular garage locks are quite different to the normal because they have the connector at the back. The other ones, normally ones that wrap on. So we'll get this fitted in here, and then we're good to go. Okay, new lock installed with new keys. So lock currently open. That's locked. And then open. There we go. Job done.